Welcome to EdVision Institute. Today we will quickly understand the respiratory system, what it is, why it's important, and how it works. So, stay tuned. The respiratory system. What is the respiratory system? The respiratory system is the network of organs and tissues that helps us breathe. It includes the nose, nasal cavity, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. Its main job is to take in oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the body. Why is the respiratory system important? Oxygen is essential for every cell in our body. Cells use oxygen to produce energy through a process called cellular respiration. Without oxygen, our body wouldn't have energy to work, move, or even survive. At the same time, the respiratory system helps expel carbon dioxide, a waste gas, from our body. How does the respiratory system work? Our respiratory system is responsible for bringing air into the body, from which we can get oxygen. It also moves air back out of the body. The exhaled air contains more of our waste gas, carbon dioxide. But how do we get oxygen from the air to our body cells and get carbon dioxide out? Let's follow the journey of a breath of air, starting with the moment you inhale. Air enters the body through the nose and mouth, where it is filtered and warmed. Air then passes through the trachea and the two primary bronchi. Each bronchus then branches many times into bronchioles, terminating at tiny air-filled sacs called alveoli. Oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged at the alveoli. The process involved in the exchange of these gases is called diffusion. How does diffusion occur? Carbon dioxide, a waste gas, moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Oxygen then moves from inside the alveoli across the walls and into the blood. This oxygen is used for respiration by the body's cells. How are the alveoli adapted for gas exchange? Their surfaces are moist, allowing the gases to dissolve. They are covered in a network of tiny capillaries, ensuring enough blood supply. Their walls are only 1 cell thick, providing a short diffusion distance. Their loam shape gives them a huge surface area. Cells. Now you know how essential the respiratory system is for our survival. If you enjoyed this quick and easy explanation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EdVision Institute for more such videos. Follow us for quick revisions, MCQs, and important updates. See you in the next class.